Hello everyone, I'm Margot from the product marketing team, and today I'm going to show you how to activate eSIMs. So it's very simple. The first step is to actually purchase some eSIM licenses. So you go within your plan in your dashboard, and here you can see, if you scroll down in the add-on section, you can see mobile eSIMs. So you click buy eSIMs. And here you can choose whether you would like voice and SMS or whichever plan works best for you. So here I'm going to purchase two with 20 gigabytes of data. And it's easy as that. My eSIMs have been successfully purchased and they're now available. So I'm now able to actually assign an eSIM to a number. So here I'm going to assign an eSIM to Margot's number. So within the number section, I select a number, and here I hit the integrations tab. One important thing to note is that the number needs to be a direct number so that it can have an eSIM attributed to it. So here I select assign eSIM license. I'm going to select calls, SMS and data, and I'm going to go ahead and click add. Now that the eSIM has been successfully assigned, Margot receives an email. So activate your eSIM, and here it says, "Hi Margot, a mobile eSIM has been assigned to your phone number." So you can activate it by scanning a QR code, either with Android or with iPhone. I'm going to use iPhone as this is what I have. So I'm just using my phone here, and I'm going to go into settings, go to mobile service, tap add an eSIM, and then I am going to scan the QR code and follow the steps on the phone. And once that is all done and my eSIM is activated, it just says set up mobile service, scan the QR code, and my eSIM is activated. So that was pretty easy.